Paluwas tayo ng Manila gamit natin yung shop car, yung demo unit ng Jimny na naka 4x4 engineering suspension. So currently, naka-default lang siya sa lowest setting. Then mamaya pag na-meet natin yung mga Japanese representatives from 4x4 engineering, hingi tayo ng tips sa kanila kung ano yung recommended settings nila. Although meron na tayong sariling settings na ginagawa para sa mga sineset up natin, pero siyempre wala namang masama kung hingi tayo ng inputs galing sa mismong representatives ng mismong manufacturer itself. So currently, nasa lowest settings ito. Ang feedback ko, sobrang niyang lambot. So medyo nakakahilo kapag hindi ka sanay sa medyo wobbly na settings. Normally, ina-adjust ko to as to my preference. Pero yun nga, like what I've said, in-meet natin sila mamaya at hingi tayo ng tips nila. And then we will give you feedbacks kung ano yung kalalabasan ng ganong settings.
But when you put the contact straight, the back does this. Doesn't play any that way. I think when mine is also underneath that. How about you? What's your say about it? Have you tried?
So now that the representatives from 4x4 Engineering Japan has adjusted the suspension settings, we're now ready na itest yung suspension ride quality nitong 4x4 Engineering na naka-install dito sa ating demo unit na JB74. So we'll keep you updated kung ano yung mga napag-usapan namin and ano ba yung mga tips na binigay ng mga Japanese representatives, so we can improve yung experience natin kapag nagpa-install kayo ng 4x4 engineering sa amin.